Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how you can customize the chat backgrounds if you want a certain background to appear just in the chat. So let's say I don't want this background, I am done with it. So what we can do here, just go back and just click on these three lines right here. And from here, just click on the settings. Now click on the chat settings. And now you can see the chat wallpaper change option. Just click here. And we have a lot of them, guys. If you scroll down, you will see some amazing, not just these ones. You can see some amazing colors right here. So for example, if you like a particular place and you want this one to be appeared as a chat background, for example, this one right here or this one right here, you can select that. It is showing the background, how it appears. So if you want it to be in the motion, blurred, whatever, you can set that as background. So you can customize different settings according to your taste. For example, I like the simple one. After that, you can just select and click on set background right at the bottom. You can see this button right here. Click here and let's check this. Go back, just open up any chat, for example, this one. And now we can see our chat background has changed successfully to an awesome colorful background. And this is how you can customize that. Just try this by yourself. And guys, if you want to learn the complete Telegram, we have a lot of series for that. You can join the playlist link in the description where you can learn the complete Telegram, and I'll see you in the next one.